In this specific video, we're going to talk about how to control how visitors comment on your WordPress site. Let's get started. There is a way to control how people communicate on your WordPress site. To do that, all you need to do is simply log into your dashboard and go to Settings and go to Discussion. And this will allow you to control how people comment on your site. And what I want to do now is just to walk you through step by step and show you what settings are available to you so you know exactly what to do and how to customize it to your needs. You can control the default article settings here, but we're going to talk about the comment settings, which are located right here. So as you can see, if you have this checked, which is checked by default, it says comment author must fill out name and email. In other words, people have to fill out their name and email in order to create a comment. And if they don't, then they cannot create a comment. Now, you got to keep in mind that there are spammers out there who are looking to spam your WordPress site. So you want to make sure that you have the correct settings on your WordPress blog so that that does not happen. So this is default settings, but you can also have it so that users must be registered and logged in to comment. So if somebody's using some sort of spam software to spam your WordPress site, unless they're actually logged in, they can't make a comment. So if you check this, it does make a little bit more difficult, but it creates a more closed door atmosphere. So it's really up to you on how you want to go about doing this. You can automatically close comments on articles older than a certain amount of days. So by default, it's 14 days, but you can increase that, decrease that, however you wish. You can also enable threaded nested comments 5 levels deep, or however you want to do it. You can also break comments into pages. So if you have a lot of comments, what's going to happen is if you don't break comments into pages, then people have to scroll all the way down, all the way down, all the way down just to see all the comments. So if you break it up into, say, let's say 10 comments per page, it'll be easier for people to scroll through it and possibly read it. So it's really up to you what you want to do. It says comments should be displayed with older comments at the top of each page. Now, this right here allows you to email you. So the WordPress blog will email you anytime somebody posts a comment when a comment is held for moderation. And that brings us to these two settings, which allows you to approve the comment before it actually shows up on your WordPress site. Now, keep in mind that this does take time out of your busy schedule. If you want to do it in such a way that you actually have to manually approve the comment, you just check that here. And then if you check this here, it says comment author must have a previously approved comment. So in other words, if you manually approve their first comment, then they can make all the other comments after that. You can also hold a comment in queue if it contains 2 or more links, or if they have a certain keyword, a spam word, a certain word, any word, it'll automatically blacklist that comment. But as you can see from here all the way down to here, this allows you to control the comments and make the user experiencing the atmosphere however you wish. Just keep in mind that there are spam bots out there that will spam your site. So you want to make sure that you take the necessary security precautions.